It's Friday and just checking out of the Classic Hotel on my way to the railway station. It's 8:15 this morning, train at 9:30 to Bandung. Taking my preferred form of transport, which is the tuk-tuk. Offers a little bit more protection than the Grab bikes and not as expensive as the taxis. The Grab taxis are quite expensive compared to the tuk-tuk. Driver a tip because he's coming here safely. And I had to make sure I got a ticket, so I got the fast train, which is not the fastest because 2 hours 15 minutes. And I arrived in Bandung 12:15. The ticket cost me $25. The cheaper tickets, but I got executive class. Having something to eat. Pretty hectic at the railway station. At least it's a modern station, has plenty of food choices. Just had a Subway for breakfast. Got a foot long, cut into the other half on the train. 2.5 hour journey. Very helpful to have these very attractive ladies to help you find your ticket. Very helpful to have these attractive ladies help you find your carriage. Wearing traditional Indonesian. This is not the fastest train, it's probably the second fastest train that's left. The train takes about 4.5 hours, so it takes about 2.5 hours. It's a very long train, very popular. Very comfortable train, plenty of leg room. And it cost about $25.
If you fail to obey this for your own safety, we must remind you that the sockets at the passenger seats are only dedicated for any low voltage electronic devices, such as cell phone, laptop, and tablets. Thank you.
The ladies who got me onto the plane, the ladies who treated me onto the train, now working the food cart. After 30 minutes, we made our first stop.
and your trip at Bandung.
Arrived at Bandung station right on time, 12:15 now. Have to get a tuk-tuk to the hotel. Ibis, they call it here. Ibis Bandung. Just had a hairy experience on a Grab motorbike. I don't think I'll do that one again. Not good for my sore back. Back's a bit sore from all the travel. But arrived at the hotel. Ibis Bandung budget Africa. Africa being the name of the street. And arrived here on one of these bikes. Nearly 1 o'clock. Arrived at the hotel by Grab motorbike. Really hard on my back. Anyway, this hotel room was only $30 a night. You can see why. It's very basic. They call it Ibis. We call it Ibis. It does have a view and a TV. A basic bathroom. Nice view from the hotel. 7th floor. Overlooking the city. Bandung has a population of 2.74 million in 2024.